Hello. May I help you with something?
Did you happen to eat some bins today?
Why yes I did. Why do you ask?
Well, I just happened to see some leftovers in the toilet and I'm assuming it was from you. Am I right, sir?
Oh yes, I'm sorry miss. I guess I forgot to flush.
Well, I ate it out of the toilet for my lunch because I was looking for food. Look on my shirt, I still have a little bit left over. Want to have a taste?
No thank, I'm good for now. I still have a lot more to make.
Oh. May I have some? That was some good tasting poopy beans.
You are a disgusting man. Get away from me, you poop eater.
How did you know that I was a man? Well, you are just jealous that I ate your bin poop and you didn't get the chance to.